I just can't stop spending money, can I?
Die on, push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone.
What is up, guys? Random footage from Ron here, and today is another fun video just like every other day because I bought another toy. Why did I buy another toy? I don't know, I have a problem. Let me turn this camera around and let's check this car out. So, as you can see, I bought another Mazda with pop-up headlights. There's just something a little bit different about this one. This one has doors that go up. No, I'm just joking. You all know this is a Mazda RX-7. This is a 1985 GSL-SE, so it's a special edition. So this car came with the 13B, and that's the bigger rotary compared to the older ones coming with the 12A. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys under there, and I'll show you guys around the car as well. So here's the engine bay. Before we get there, look at this awesome airbrush Wolverine. Whoa, I am gonna end up taking this off. This car is kind of a little over the top for my style. I know you guys are laughing because I have the Rice Miata, but I'll probably hang this on the wall and just get like a carbon top or just a fiberglass top and paint match it to the car. Maybe find an OEM one if I can find a part out. So this is the engine bay. As you can see, somebody really liked the color red. I'll probably end up taking some of this stuff off. I'm not a big fan of all of it. You know, maybe a few things just to identify important, you know, hoses and cables. But the car runs pretty good. We'll cold start it in a little bit. I haven't done anything but drive it home yet when we pulled off all the stickers. So this car, I think, was like an early 2000s show car. And, you know, he said it had won a bunch of awards. It has a bunch of crazy underglow and LED lights everywhere. But yeah, so 13B runs pretty good. It is the original, has never been rebuilt. This car is like roughly 120, 130,000 miles. Again, it does run good, but I would imagine that rotary will probably need some love soon. Of course, we got the awesome Lambo doors, you know, because it's a Lambo, right? And then we got the hatch, which, as you can see, it's a little hard for me too, so hopefully y'all can see. The interior is pretty clean. We cleaned out the bottom here. There was like a little bit of water. I guess one of the drains is clogged, so we'll be looking at that. Let's go ahead and check out in here. See the brown everything. You can tell this is an 80s car 100%. But yeah, it's very clean. You know, some little surface rust, but I'm pretty happy with it. What I want to do is kind of just bring this back to a little bit more like toned down version of what it is now and just enjoy it. I think these cars are starting to get really expensive, and I wanted to get into it before they were not affordable anymore. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna get the cars all moved around. We're gonna be putting this in the garage. When we get it ready to move it, I'll film the cold start so you guys can see that. Well, as you can see, we have moved all of the vehicles around. We cleared the spot in the garage for the RX-7. We got the skis put in. The truck's just chilling in the yard looking cool. We're actually going to hop in the RX-7 real quick and we'll probably go for a quick spin around the neighborhood. It's not plated yet, so I don't want to go, you know, driving and get in trouble. So we'll hop in here and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the short ride. Well, as you guys can see, it starts up pretty good. It's a little bit more warmed up than it was earlier, so let's try driving around. Well, guys, it's been a little bit. I ended up cooling off in the house for a while, even though it's not too hot out. Got all the cars moved, everything in the driveways organized, skis are in the backyard covered. So I figured I'd just chat for another minute or so about the car. Let me zoom out. So my goal is over the next couple weeks, I'm probably going to take a lot of the red off, continuing to clean the car up, and, you know, kind of just make it, you know, just a simple, clean car, do a tune-up and stuff. So when I do the tune-up, I'll probably make a video of that. Couple other updates. Skyline, I started pulling apart so I could look at the back. As you can see, no rear bumper from where the tire exploded. Kind of messed up this quarter. So I'm trying to investigate in that. I also have the Miata outside. I've been dailying that pretty much every day. That's what, you know, dailying. You know, driving the Stinger in between. I'm probably going to work on trying to paint the Miata. I don't know yet. We shall see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of just a mix, just kind of showing the car. When it gets registered, we'll actually probably go ahead and put the forehead GoPro on and take it for a spin, drive around town, enjoy it. I know just towing it back, we got like a crazy amount of thumbs ups and waves, and people are, you know, just taking pictures and stuff. So I am excited to, you know, get this car going, especially with my boy Wolverine. It'll be fun. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you do, if you want to see some RX-7 content, comment down below. If you want to see more stuff on the Skyline, let me know. And I'm just going to keep trying to make videos for you guys. See you guys later. Peace.